Alright, the almost 1 year review on the Ekster aluminum card holder wallet. Well, it gave out on me. That clip, that plastic clip, it gave out. It broke. The cards will go in, but it's a pain in the butt to get them back out. I'm not quite sure. I mean, after looking down in there, it is like mostly plastic and springs. So it just eventually gave out. It made it almost 11 months. I always use the holder on the inside for 5 cards. It fit 5 cards pretty easily. And my tracker for my phone, my chip tracker for my phone, kept that on the outside along with probably 10 other cards. And sometimes threw a little cash in here as well. So, I mean, I used it. It served its purpose. But would I buy another one? No. If I'm going to spend, even on sale, $62 for a wallet, I want it to last more than 11 months. So, what did I do? I found another option. And we came across the Mountain Voyage Company wallet. So let's pop this open. Little lifetime warranty card. You scan that QR code and fill out all the information they need. Comes with a couple extra screws, a little screwdriver, and here's the wallet. This is more of a minimalist wallet, definitely. It's lighter, also aluminum. This screwdriver, I mean, you could pop it apart, so if something did get stuck in there, you can unscrew all the screws right here and take it apart. What I do like about this, even though it is pretty small and it looks like it only holds 3 cards, you pop 1 in there, 2, and man, that 3rd one's probably going to be even tight, and 3, yeah. Instead of having like a spring or a little button or a spring like the Ekster wallet, this Mountain Voyager minimalist wallet, once you push them in, it's just as easy as, you know, pushing your thumb up here to pull the cards out. So you can pull out whatever you want and push the rest of them back in. So I'm thinking you can loosen those screws a little bit if you want to maybe get another card in, but I'm thinking 3 is the max. This is a pretty tight wallet. Now they do have this little pocket clip on the outside that you can probably slide some cash in, definitely, and maybe pop a couple more cards in too. So you won't be using it as a pocket clip, but you definitely can squeeze a few cards in there. I don't usually carry much cash, and I usually need about 6 to 8 cards between my store cards, like ID to get into work, and a couple of my main cards that I'm going to put in the wallet. So I would say this is going to be doable, and it's pretty thin, just like the Ekster wallet, but I think my biggest problem with this is it's just not going to hold enough cards for me. But I won't have to worry about springs breaking and cards getting stuck, as you just push them out with this, just with your finger. Got that slot there. I mean, it's pretty minimalist. Now, I would say you could also pop that clip off if you didn't want it. What I was thinking about doing is popping that clip off. And I still want to use my reader to track my phone. And the Ekster wallet has this little, band clip going around it. It could be a pain because I'll have to take that off in order to get my regular cards out. But I essentially could pop that around there and slide my cards and cash in here need be. So I could do that. It's an option. I haven't decided how I want to play that out, because every single time that I want to get my cards from the inside, I will have to slide that whole thing off. So is it the best option? Probably not, but the thing is, I do have options, and I get to test out a new one of these aluminum wallets. So what do you think? Have you ever had an Ekster? How long did it last? And depending on how many cards you have, maybe this Mountain Voyage Company wallet could do the trick for you. So let's load this wallet up. Oh, wrong way. Fits the 3 cards comfortably. And see if it holds my chip reader on the back. Pretty good there. Maybe one more card or two more cards here on the back. I could see that happening. And I think this is stretching it a little, but throwing some cash in there. So yeah, that's a little bit much. I think I'm gonna have to go without tracking my phone anymore. And then I can pop in at least a few cards in here, and maybe still a little bit of cash. And that's more doable, I think. I mean, it has a little bit springing here, but realistically, I think, 5 or 6 cards and a little bit of cash can happen. What do you think? Would you give this wallet a shot? I'd be curious to see your thoughts in the comment below. And don't forget to give yourself a raise. I'll see you next time.